Hey guys, today I'm making something really fun that is hot dog specific. It's gonna be so much fun. The kids are gonna love this, the guys are gonna love this. I don't know, I like this because I think this is so much fun. So take all these spaghetti noodles, you wanna stick them into the hot dog. One more. And I've got, this is some water here. I'm gonna pour that all in here, and then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until all the noodles are cooked through. Just like that. Look at how they turned out, and I promise they're still intact. Look, so we're gonna go ahead and pull one out of these, set it on, either use a cutting board or a wooden board like this. I've got some, this is some pizza sauce. You can use spaghetti sauce if you'd like. I've got some sliced pepperoni here. And then we're gonna start rolling these up. Then once that is done, we're going to be moving this right into a small casserole dish. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. And look, even if it's split, look, all the noodles are still in there. So you just need to be a little creative in hiding that split. Go ahead and, since the noodles are wet, you can actually just kind of like use your hands and do that. Get some pizza sauce. Take our 5 pieces of pepperoni. One in the middle, like that. And then pull and tuck. See, look! I did not even know that it was split. Those noodles are covering it all up. I'm gonna set this right in here. I've got some of that leftover pizza sauce. We're just gonna use the whole jar and just pour it all over our spaghetti wrapped hot dogs with the pepperoni. Give it a little shake. Got some Italian style, it's a blended cheese. We'll go right on top. And I've got some bacon pieces. And then this is gonna all go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that everything is cooked through and the cheese is bubbly. Look at how it turned out. They look so amazing. This is like piping hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this one out of here. You can look back over this way, you can see like how that spaghetti stayed intact. This is gonna be so good, guys. A little bit of grated Parmesan cheese goes right on top. Cut through this. It's like a meal in one. Look, it's like spaghetti, hot dog, pepperoni, pizza sauce. And it looks so pretty on a plate. Get all of this put together. Let me get this taste test. It's like noodly goodness. It's so good. Guys, you have to make this. You can put this in a hot dog bun if you want. I think I'm just gonna eat this like it is. Definitely a crowd pleaser. I'm gonna have the rest of this later.